Let's talk about a powerful and totally free way to supercharge your Google Search Console.
If you manage a big website, you've probably been frustrated by its limitations. Okay, let's get into it. These limits can really hold back any serious analysis on big sites.
But what if I told you there's a way to use a core GSC feature against its own limitations?
And this number? This is the key. You're likely just using one, but you can have 1,000.
It's called the multi-property solution. Instead of one broad view, you create lots of focused ones.
So why bother? Well, this unlocks some seriously powerful new capabilities, starting with performance data.
First up, you get way more detailed data for the most important sections of your site.
See, each new property gets its own 1,000-row limit. That's a total game changer for analysis.
Okay, on to benefit number 2. This is a big one, scaling up your indexing analysis.
And check this out. That 2,000 URL limit, it's per property. So you can just multiply it.
This scale means you can spot pages that are stuck and, more importantly, figure out why.
And this helps you tell the difference between these two key not indexed statuses. Huge. Getting this right is crucial for your site's efficiency, and it helps you prioritize your SEO.
All right, ready to actually do this? It's probably easier than you think.
Here's your 4-step plan. Assess your setup, ensure you have a domain property, find key subfolders, and add them.
And hey, a quick pro tip on sitemaps, this same idea applies there too.
Don't just upload the index file. Submitting each sitemap separately gives you so much more data.
So stop letting the default settings hide all this great data from you. Think about it. What opportunities are hiding in your data right now that you just can't see?